Hey everyone, it's that time again. Let's dive into last week's stock market performance and see what might be coming up next. First off, the Hang Seng Index saw a 0.69% bump, thanks to optimism around US-China trade talks, but concerns about China's economic growth did keep things in check. The S&P 500 had a tiny gain of 0.09%. It started strong with 6 consecutive days of gains, driven by tech giants like Nvidia, Tesla, and AMD, but a dip on May 20th due to a US credit rating downgrade cut the streak short. Next up, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 0.32%. Gains in the healthcare and consumer sectors helped, though trade worries introduced some volatility. Lastly, the Nasdaq Composite saw a marginal increase of just 0.02%. Early gains were fueled by the tech sector, but inflation and interest rate concerns tempered the overall performance. Now what can we expect for the week ahead, May 26th, 30, 2025? For the Hang Seng Index, I'm predicting an upward trend with a potential gain of 0.5 to 1.5%, landing it between 22,800 and 23,200. Trade talks will be the big driver here. The S&P 500 could see a modest increase of 0.3 to 0.7%, aiming for a closing range of 5,670 to 5,730. Positive economic data and trade developments should help. The Dow Jones might edge up by 0.2 to 0.5%, ending between 42,500 and 42,800. Sector strength will be key. And for the Nasdaq Composite, I'm looking at an outperformance with gains of 0.4 to 0.8%, finishing between 17,900 and 18,100. Tech sector resilience will be the main factor. Remember, these predictions depend on positive trade developments and stable economic data. Keep an eye on inflation reports, consumer confidence, and any updates from the Federal Reserve. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more market insights. Happy trading and catch you next time.